तुझे नाव कितें?
मिसेस टीना फेर्नांडीस.
खंयच्यान येता?
वार्का.
वार्का. त्रास कितें जाता तुका?
आतां 25 वर्सां जाले. म्हाका सारके त्रास जाताले. म्हणजे
कसले?
पांय व्हेरिकोज वेन जाल्ले. मागीर म्हजे हात ते मुयेन येताले. सकाळीं उठपाक म्हाका त्रास जाताले. पांय सारके फडफडटाले, न्हीद पडनासली. मागीर घुंवड येताली, थंडी जाताली. मातशें कितें थंडयेन काम केलें, आयदनां हें दिलें, रोखडी थंड बसताली. आनी जायते त्रास जाताले. आनी अशें उठोंक जायनासलें. मागीर कितें जिवाक सारकी बेजेसां येताले, उबो न्हय दिसतालो जीव. आनी
मान कमरूय दुखता तुजी?
होय, कमर दुखता,
हात बी
मुयेन येताले. आनी आतां
हांगा कशें पावलें तूं?
होय, म्हजी माय हिंगा ट्रिटमेंट घेताली. आनी म्हजी मामाची चली, तांकां जायतें बरें दिसलां. आनी तेमी म्हाका हांगा हाडलें आनी म्हणूंक लागली एक दीस यो म्हूण चोवपाक. म्हाका तेन्ना डॉक्टराचें टॉकू मेळ्ळें. आनी हांवें जायते पेशंटां चयले की तीं सारकी पॅरलायज जाल्लेली मनशां आतां चलपाक लागल्या म्हूण. आनी म्हजो भावाट मातसो हें जालो. आनी मागीर हांवें चिंतलें, हाल्यां हांव धनपड जाल्यार म्हाका अशें बरें करपाक कोण आसपाना. आनी म्हजो हें सिट्युएशन आनी बरें जावपाना म्हूण. हें सगळें चिंतून म्हजे आईन आनी म्हज्या मामाचे चलयेन म्हणून तूं भिनाका, तुका ट्रिटमेंटाक हेल्प जाय, आमी हेल्प करतात म्हूण. आनी हांवें मागीर तांचें सगळ्यांचें आयकिल्लें. डॉक्टरानूय म्हाका मातशें बुजवण दिली, भिनाका, आपूण तुका डिस्कावंट दिता, भिनाका, तूं स्टार्ट कर म्हूण. आनी हें सगळें करून हांवें गेले ते विकान स्टार्ट केलां. पूण पयलेच दिसा म्हाका जायतो एफेद मेळ्ळा, बरें दिसलां. एकूच ट्रिटमेंट चालू करनासतना म्हजे पांय सारके हें जाले, बरें जाले.
तुझे व्हेरिकोज वेन ज्यो आशिल्ल्यो ते सगळे घोंस कशे भायर. एक्चुअली पयलीं आमी रेकॉर्डिंग करूंक सोदी, आमी तुझे मागीर रेकॉर्डिंग एक सिटींग जातकूच केल्या. तेन्ना सुद्दां ताजे व्हेरिकोज वेन्स आसत सादारण. पण त्यो व्हेरिकोज वेन्स म्हणटात त्यो आमी पळयल्यो की हांवें तरी आज पर्यंत अश्यो पळोवंक नाशिल्ल्यो की भायर इतक्यो एक इंच भायर वयल्या जांगेनसून सकयल पर्यंत इतक्यो व्हेरिकोज वेन्स हांवें तरी इतक्यो पळोवंक नाशिल्ल्यो केन्ना. आनी अशे कंडिशनांतून तुका सारकें करप म्हणल्यार कितके तेंप लागतलो आनी वर्सां लागतली ती खबर ना, अशें तुका सांगलेलें हांवें. पण तरी तुजी केस मेन ती आशिल्ली की आपले हाल रगत भितर खेळना आनी सगळे त्या खातीर सगळी फोडाफोडी जातात, त्रास जाता. त्या खातीर हांवें तुजी केस घेतली. पण एकाच अर्द वराच्या ट्रिटमेंटा उपरांत तुज्यो व्हेरिकोज वेन्सूच गायब जाल्यो. आय वॉज व्हेरी सरप्रायज. म्हाजो तो न्यू रिसर्च जो हांवें केल्या ते तुका पॉयंट यूज करना बरोबर इमिजिएट आमी ते रेकॉर्डिंग केल्या तुजे. तातूंत पळयलें जाल्यार त्यो शिरोच ना, सगल्यो शिराचे घोस म्हणटा ते कांयच दिसत ना, सगळे स्किन लेवलार आयले. ताजे उपरांत आमी परत तुजे हाफ एन अवर फाटल्यान ट्रिटमेंट करता फाटले शिरो गेल्यो. इट वॉज समथींग लायक आय फाउंड रियली मॅजीक रिजल्ट विथ यू. Maybe that my total attraction to cure you, energy flow is so highly जाल्ली तुजी. कित्याक तुजी मायंड सगळी तुजी स्टोरी रडत सांगलेली म्हाका तुजे हाल जाता ते. तातूंत भितरल्यान काळजांतसून खंय तरी अशें जालें की तुका कशें उबें करपाक जाय. कित्याक माय अशी सांगताली तुजे की डॉक्टर ताजे हाल आपल्याच्यान पळोवन नजो, आपूण बरी जाल्यार पण ताजे हाल पळोवन नजो, कितें तरी तूं कर, आपूण तुका केन्ना विसरची ना. ते तुजी मायक हांव खूब मानता. कित्याक डेली येवन ती म्हाका ब्लेसिंग दिता, डेली ब्लेसिंग दिता ट्रिटमेंट घेतना. त्या ब्लेसिंगच्या खातीर हांव तिका म्हाजी माय कशी मानता. ती माय म्हणून तूं म्हणजे भयण जाली ना. त्या खातीर हांवें विचार केलो की ही केसी जायना खऱ्यो, पण ती तुजे रिसर्च केले ते पॉयंट्स लावन पळोवया म्हणून. पण देवान तुजे एकाच फावटीन अशें इतके बरें करतले हांवें स्वप्नान चिंतून नाशिल्लें.
आनी हांवें देखून चिंतूंक ना डॉक्टर, देखून म्हाका जायतें बरें दिसलां. आनी फाटीं तुका हांवें सांगिल्लें डॉक्टर म्हाका ही थंडी सतायता, पूण तुवें एक एक्स्ट्रा पयशे घेयनासतना रोखडे तुवें म्हाका सुई लायल्यो सायनसाच्यो. आनी तें देखून म्हाका जायतें बरें दिसलां. आनी तुजें हांवें चयलां कार्डीज एकदम बरें. आनी यू आर व्हेरी जेनरस बिकॉज आय डोंट थिंक यूल वर्क ओनली फॉर मनी, यू आर व्हेरी सेल्फलेस वर्कर. आनी दुसरें हांवें चयलां देर पेशंट देखून तुका म्हज्या बाराबरची लायक सांगल्या तुका हिंग दुखता रोखडो तूं हें करता डॉक्टर. आनी इवन युअर टीम वर्क इज व्हेरी नायस. एंड आय प्रे एंड आय ब्लेस यू ऑल एंड आय रियली आस्क गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग ऑन दीस वर्क ऑफ यू आर डुईंग. आनी हेरूय पेशंट सगळ्यांनी बरी जायन तुका जायतो बेसांव घालूं म्हूण हांव मागता.
एक्चुअली अशें इतके 8-10 दिसां भितर इतके बरें जातलें अशें स्वप्नान चिंतून नाशिल्लें.
हांवें चिंतूंक ना, खरें ना. आनी हांव जाणा देवाचेर आनी तुजेर भावार दवरून हांव परत म्हज्या पांय सारखे बरे जातले आनी नव्यान सारखे बरे जातले म्हूण.
नेक्स्ट डे तुवें सगळ्यांक सांगूंक सुरवात केले की आपण कशी आशिल्ली स्टोरी. कारण हे सुद्धा सांगपाक सुद्धा मनशाक तशें काळीज जाय, त्या टायपचेच काळीज जाय. आपूण बरें जाल्यार थोडे लिपोवन दवरतात, संवसाराक सांगिनात. आज 10 वर्सां आनी 20 वर्सां पयलींचे सुद्धा पेशंट बरे जाले, ताजे शेजारी पाजारी सुद्धा आतां येतात. म्हणजे एकामेकाक लोक जर सांगीत जाल्यार टायमार दुयेंस पावता. आतां पळय तूं 25 वर्सांचे हाल, आज जर 25 दीस सुद्धा लागिल्ले सोड, पण 8 दिसां भितर तुजें जर टोटल बरें जाता म्हणजे इट इज समथींग एंड एवरीथिंग इज वर्क्स हियर. पण हांगा भितर सरत जाल्यारूच आमी पेशंट बरे करूं शकता न्ही. आय विल जस्ट रेकॉर्ड युअर व्हेरिकोज वेन्स नाव. ओके, यू कॅन सी दिस पेशंट वी हॅव रेकॉर्डेड बिफोर. यू हॅव डन रेकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस पेशंट वेर फुल व्हेरिकोज वेन्स वे देयर. And it was before recording that first recording also, it was around 1 inch outside. I was surprised where to prick and how to treat this case. But with my research work, what I have done and that treatment points after using that, we have found the varicose veins have totally vanished within one sitting. And after this around 8 days treatment, we can see there are no varicose veins only. There are just few which are seen now.
As a patient, what I want to say just now is this case was really very bad, and I couldn't stand, nor could I walk, and even to sleep it was a real problem for me. But today, if I can really say that it has worked wonders, that too without any medication and without any treatment as such, but just the touch of the doctor.
What is your name?
My name is Mrs. Tina Fernandez.
And coming from?
And I am from Varka.
Varka. So from when you are suffering this?
Now I am suffering this since last 25 years. During my first pregnancy, I had these varicose veins, and then gradually it went on becoming worse. And every time I used to, even if I went to see a doctor, I couldn't afford all the medication because they were very expensive. And as what I have heard, I heard that even after operation there are no chances that it will be cured completely, because there are chances that they can reoccur. And my mother and my cousin sister was coming here, and she was healed. In fact, my mother was completely healed, I should say. And that motivated me. And one day she just invited me to come over and visit the clinic here. When I came here and I saw the patients, and when I heard them, the very serious patients also, they have shown tremendous recovery. And also the doctor's talks were really very helpful and very refreshing, I should say, because I learned from his talk that day what are the things we should do and not do, like for instance the oil therapy, what he told us, and it really helps. And other thing was, I saw the patient and they were so cheerful, and they were really showing, that they were very grateful to doctor, their recovery, which you cannot find with these allopathic doctors and at the places where in hospitals and all. Whereas here you can see the patients, they are very more on,
it is like family atmosphere.
Family atmosphere. And secondly, I could see that they were very happy. The results, the end results are very good. Like they say, really it has worked wonders. And now when it comes to me, I should say it worked wonders within half an hour for me, because the very first sitting when I took, it was on 16th. I just came here and doctor consulted me, and he took me for the first sitting. And the very first sitting showed me results. When after half an hour I said, "Doctor, my legs are really good," and he was shocked.
There was all veins were only vanished, like it was just on the skin level.
Just skin level.
I was also very much surprised because I have done that research treatment for you. My own research for the varicose veins, and those points I tried to use you, and then I was surprised that within half an hour it can happen like that.
Yeah, and secondly, if you had to see my legs behind, I could feel lumps, like they were like the veins were really horrible, you could say.
And they were from the top, from thigh to the legs.
Yes.
And when we have measured, like in between, it was around more than 1 inch outside. outside your skin level.
It was.
Yeah.
And other thing was like I used to get pain right from the groins because and from the back too. And in the night they were terrible. I couldn't sleep. No, if I used to just turn, sometimes the veins used to get entangled or what, I don't know, but it was really horrible. But I should say with this now 8 sittings, it has worked wonders for me. My hands, they were getting numb, both these hands. But now today I should say I'm much better. I don't have that problem. And even my legs, I should say they are much better. And I'm very happy with this treatment, and I pray to God to bless the doctor and his team to carry out this good work.
So all the patient think that after what will happen in the needle pricking, because one of the patient was coming from Naveli or somewhere. There's one of the minister's mother. She came for 1 month and next month she has not turned up. When we asked about inquiry, we found as one of the doctor or somebody told them that if you prick on the needles on the body, how it will work and how it will cure you. So on that basis and on that their faith on them, she has discontinued the treatment, thinking that acupuncture will not help them in treating the bones problems and all. Because still people are ignorant about what is actual the science. They believe only those people who tells them like that. But such condition, when you have seen results and after taking treatment how you feel, that is what wonders you can see. Otherwise just knowing and just thinking that what needle will do, then you will not able to get the improvement.
Well,
first faith is important.
Here I want to just say that I was suffering from the sinusitis, and doctor gave me free treatment for this sinus. When I told him, doctor, see my cold is too bad, he didn't charge me, but he helped. In fact he treated me in his selfless way. And I should say, when the doctor put needles here and here, even after the needles were out, the whole evening I could find that thing working. It is not that the prick doesn't help. I can really watch for it and say the pricks really help. And the medication, I mean, once the pricks are given and then that thermals what he applies, what do you call it? Stimulations. Those stimulations, you will find them working through you the whole night, I could say. Because when he put me for my nape of the neck behind this, my ears were hurting me so badly because of the cold. But today I have no problem with the ears. Every time I had to use the earbuds because they were just giving me that sensation that yeah. But today I must say, after this treatment, I have none of this problem. And
lot of side benefits you get while treating one thing.
Yeah, it does help. Not only I came for this, but I've seen overall it has helped me a lot, and not only from what I came, but more than for what I came. And I should say this thing really works because I can find each and every vein of mine, and this now when he pricks, I used to think, my Lord, when the needle prick, maybe I'll start bleeding because since they are varicose veins. But surprisingly, I find they have improved, and I can see more good results than the bad part of it.
Actually, there was no area in your body or in the legs where I can prick easily because all varicose veins.
Yeah.
But you are surprised that after pricking so many needles also there is no bleeding in any place.
That's true.
Because that is internal science. That is what we say the scanning eye is like. It is the art of needling. So after having so many varicose veins, there was no bleeding. After pricking so long needles for you also, there was no bleeding and no pain. And improved a lot.
Yes.
So, and also one more thing, how you find about the working of our team or our centers?
The girls are really marvelous, I should say. Even your madam is good. And I find as a family you'll really work well. I've not seen a much better coordination between the doctor and the team, you know. Usually like doctors and all, they behave, but I found you very friendly and very loving also. And may God bless you and your good work.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.